Good afternoon, guys. Once again, FCI Futures is back with the analysis on gold. And today is the CPI data, that is Consumer Price Index data, that clearly describes the inflation of any country. And today's data will be showing the inflation of USA. So if we look out for the forecast on the year-on-year basis, then it has been forecasted to be in the negative side. That is bad for US dollar. And when we talk about the month on month, then it is forecasted to be neutral. So right now, the as we can see, the gold market is right now in the bullish momentum. And today also we can expect that gold can break the all-time high of 2531. Okay, we have seen that so many times now the gold has rejected from this level, but again it went up to test it. Okay, and today also we have seen in the morning it has made the high of 2528. So for the US session, what we have to plan today is if the data comes in the positive side, that is, if the inflation comes up about 2.5% on year basis, or like 2.7 or 2.8, then we can see dollar going strong and gold coming in the downside. Now, when we talk about like how much it can come into the downside, then we will be simply drawing the Fibonacci retracement, and we can see that this wave started from this level from 2485 and it stretched till this point. So without making any upper higher high, if gold starts to fall from here, then gold will be reaching till 2507 or 2502 in the downside. For that, the condition is it should break 2518. Okay, once it breaks 2518, then we will be seeing 2507 or 2502. Okay, now what about the upper side? Like, what if gold goes in the bullish direction? Then for that it needs first of all a negative data, negative CPI data, because if the inflation reduces, then the Fed will be decreasing the decreasing the interest rate. Okay, so the next FOMC is coming on 18th of September. So during that time we will be seeing a rate cut that could be of 25 basis point or 50 basis point. And for now, if we draw in for the upper side, if we draw like how much gold can go up, then we have to draw the Fibonacci extension, and we can see that if this 2531 or 32 breaks, then we will see gold reaching to 2542 or 2551. Okay, so these are the for this wave, these are the levels till which it will go up. After this, we can see gold coming to make a downward correction. Okay, so for CPI data, what we know is if gold breaks the resistance of 2531, then we will be seeing 2542 or 2551, 52 level. And in case it does not break this 32 resistance level, then it will be coming in the downside. Okay, and once it breaks 2518 level, then we will be seeing gold reaching to 2507 or 2500 level, psychological level also. And if the data is red hot positive, then we can there are also chances that inflation can increase more than expectations. Then in that case, gold can break the downside resistance, downside support of 2500 also. If that psychological support gets break, then it will be reaching till 2485 or 2470. Okay, so it will be very easy day. Whatever happens, whatever data comes, first the spike you see, if the data is coming in the positive side, then you have to sell gold, and you don't have to worry about any kind of spikes. If it starts to fall, then it will be falling, and if it starts to rise, then it will be rising. Thank you so much, and I say all the best to all the traders. I hope you have you get good profits today. Thank you so much.